Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day 12 actually. Can you believe it? It's only how many days? 12 more days until Christmas, or 13 more days until Christmas. 12, 13? Yeah. But I've been so excited to share today's video with you all because we're gonna be diving into something super special, our very own DIY experience right here at home. So just take some time to enjoy. Guys, have you ever dreamed of soaking in an onsen while surrounded by stunning mountains, peaceful nature, and a hint of like zen? Japanese zen? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Because today we're gonna bring you to a luxury inside our bathroom. My Japanese bathroom, but on a budget. Yeah. Okay guys, so let's fill the bathtub. So I am going to be using some Epsom salt and the bath bomb, but this is Japanese style. This one is Japanese style bath bomb, and it's supposed to be like a cleaning agent, not to clean the bathroom but to clean you. So I'm going to be adding this. This is what they add to their water. I'm going to add a candle too, a thick candle. Yes, and I'm going to add this lavender one. I was thinking of doing the pink one. My friend gave me that one, but I decided to go with the lavender and it didn't disappoint. And then we went in with the bath salt. And guys, the bathroom was smelling like heavenly. Yeah, this one, the lavender one. And it's going to be blue. And then after that, you're just going to see me doing caroling in the bathroom. Like, look at that. It's so aesthetically pleasing. Looks like blue purple clouds in my bathtub. Like, smells good. But yeah, you're gonna hear me caroling like in my bathtub, like all of my favorite Christmas songs. It's a nice vibe. Like, guys, it's a nice vibe. Okay guys, so I just added my tablet and as you can tell, a little candle at the side, and I put it on like this board because girl, I want to get electrocuted in my bathtub. But yeah, and I also, while I was in the bath, I just brought a cup of tea just to set the mood and everything. So let's get it. I'm gonna head to the bath right now. This is us guys. This is as close as you can get to onsen vibe. This is the closest you can get to onsen vibe. I'm drinking some tea. Yeah. Yeah, I like onsen and the idea of onsen, but I don't want to strip naked in front of everybody. But even though I'm like, it's quite contrary. On camera, I can control what you see, you know.
You can't really see anything. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but it's a good energy, good vibe. So this is actually great if you are busy with work. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Round the Virgin Mother and Child, Holy Infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent, silent, holy night. Sleep, thou jolly one, sleep. Sleep, thou jolly one, sleep. La, la paseo, la paseo, la paseo. Let's start the errant angels sing. Glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild. God and sinners reconciled. Hark the herald angels sing. Glory to the newborn King. The newborn King, yeah. Glory to the newborn King, yeah. La paseo, born is a newborn King. La paseo, born is a newborn King. Born is a newborn King. La paseo, Christ by highest and adore. Christ the everlasting Lord. Late in time, behold him come, offspring of a virgin's womb. Veiled in flesh, like God, held the infant deity. Please them men and women to dwell. Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing. Glory to the newborn King. The newborn King, yeah. La paseo, born is a newborn King. La paseo, born is a newborn King. La paseo, born King. Oh, Glory to the newborn King. Always remember that. Jesus is the reason for the season, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, he is. Oh yes, he is, yeah. I don't need material things. All I need is the love you bring. The silent day, I came to say that Jesus, you are the only way. Jesus is the reason for the season, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, he is. Oh yes, he is, yeah. Jesus is the reason for the season, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, he is. Oh yes, he is. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Oh Lord, and there is none like you. Oh Lord, no one else can touch my heart like you do. I can search throughout eternity, Lord, and find there is none like you. Lord, no one else can touch my heart like you do. I can search throughout eternity, Lord, and find there is none like you. Oh, your mercy flows like a river, Lord. I'm just going to go in bed right now, and I'm just going to relax right now, so, and edit the clip so you can get it for later on. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Yeah, I'm going to literally edit it right now as we speak. I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to go straight to editing. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this little bath time DIY Japanese style onsen. Like, I love the vibe that Japanese onsens give, but I can never go there because I'm not like comfortable, like, you know, just be naked in front of others. Like, I've never, guys. So I'm about to go to bed. This is it. Hope you enjoyed a little bath time. This is Vlogmas day number 11, and we're calling this day, we're closing off today's video. We're closing off the vlog. So hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it. See you in the next one.